Hi, I'm Lauren. Welcome into the studio. Today I am going to do pouring medium versus pouring medium on some little 4-inch tiles. So let's get painting. So this is house paint and Floetrol mixed equal parts. Put a little bit more white on. Then I have two, we're going to compare one pouring medium to another pouring medium. So this is the one with polyurethane and it's a interior paint semi-gloss deep base. The description for the pouring medium will be down below. I put a drop of red on. Which is Liquitex's Deep Cardamom Hue Red, and then this is Prussian Blue by Liquitex as well. Just doing the two colours. Then I have the same colours, but they're just mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol. Then I have white acrylic paint mixed 1 part paint to 3 parts Floetrol. Held the colour more. This is a lot more just like lacing-ish. This has cells and lacing. It's quite pretty. Just move this one out of the way for now. Beautiful. That's gorgeous. Really liking this. It's holding its shape. Like the lacing and the cells are holding nicely. I like this colour combination because I only used 2, but I have ended up with the purple, which is really pretty. This is gorgeous. Great. Love it. Come back to it. Here's my other tile, which looks really different. They are both beautiful in their own way. I love the colour of the one on the left and the lacing and the sills. It's just beautiful. And then on the right, it's almost just lacing, and I love it too. And the colour is so subtle. They are just beautiful. I will definitely make 2 more, one of each, and make like a little coaster set out of it. It's like negative and positive almost. Tell me, which one do you like more? Can you decide? Because I certainly can't. On the left, I have my polyurethane and the premium extra deep base paint, which you can get all the information below in the comments about for the pouring medium. And on the right, it's just Floetrol pouring medium. Tell me, what do you think? Thank you for tuning in. We will see you next time. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more experiments. If you'd like me to experiment with anything, let me know. And I will see you next time. Don't hesitate to create. Bye.